Maybe it's a new beginning. Maybe it's the start of where it ends. I know. It comes down to all or nothing. This time it's for real, we can't pretend. You know, it's closing in, and I don't wanna miss a shot. Adrenaline, so give it everything that you got. Don't stop.
I'm so happy to be the new ambassador, of course. I believe that I need to be healthy kasi I have many obligations na kailangan gawin with my family, my friends, especially my work. I need to take care of myself. Kasi paano ka makakatulong sa ibang tao if you cannot help yourself, if hindi ka makabangon everyday? Dapat talaga magsimula sa'yo at magsimula po sa ating lahat.
In your eyes, I see a fire lighting up as we're getting away. There's no going back, and I'm loving the process. Where you go, I follow. When I'm giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase.
Hi everybody, it's me Jane De Leon with Sante. Let's live more and do more.